Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. This video introduces the Bitget copy trading platform and the upcoming Kcgi copy trading competition, offering a prize pool of up to 80,000 USDT for those interested in improving their cryptocurrency trading skills. The Kcgi copy trading competition, starting on 9.1, offers a grand stage for showcasing trading skills and a prize pool of up to 80,000 USDT. This competition is perfect for both experienced traders and novices looking to learn from the best. Now, let's unravel the magic behind copy trading. Copy trading is an innovative method that enables traders to effortlessly mirror the trades of experienced professionals, making it a game changer for newcomers navigating the market's twists and turns. So, what makes copy trading so special? Buckle up, because here come the perks. Access to expertise. Novice traders, this is your chance to learn from the best in the business. Ride the coattails of experienced traders and absorb their wisdom like a sponge. Reduced risk. Copy trading acts as your safety net, helping you steer clear of costly mistakes and minimizing potential losses. Time saving. Got a busy schedule? Copy trading's got your back. Benefit from others' research and strategies, even if you're short on time. But let's not forget the flip side. It's important to stay aware of the risks involved. Loss of control. Remember, by copying others' trades, you're relinquishing a bit of control over your own decisions. Limited learning. While copying is great for learning, don't forget to strike a balance and nurture your own trading skills. Market uncertainties. Just like any trading venture, copy trading isn't immune to market volatility. Even successful traders can face losses during turbulent times. Now, the moment you've been waiting for, introducing Bitget Copy Trading, your gateway to an enhanced cryptocurrency trading experience. Bitget isn't just another platform, it's a game changer. Here's what sets Bitget apart from the rest. Transparency. Get ready for a transparent trading experience. Gain access to detailed trader performance metrics, including win rates and profit ratios. Security. Security is paramount, and Bitget knows it. Two-factor authentication, SSL encryption, and advanced security protocols, your assets are in safe hands. Feeling the excitement? It's time to take action. Join the Bitget community and explore the captivating world of cryptocurrency trading. And hey, remember the Kcgi copy trading competition we talked about? This could be your moment to shine, to prove your mettle, and to win big. That's a wrap for today's video, folks. We've journeyed through the realm of copy trading, unveiled the outstanding Bitget copy trading platform, and even dropped a hint about the electrifying Kcgi copy trading competition. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with fellow traders, and subscribe to our channel for more thrilling content. Until next time, happy trading, and may your profits soar to new heights. See you in the next video.